While visiting Disney World, I loved the I Lava You float at the Sunshine Tree Terrace at Magic Kingdom. It's an orange frozen dessert in strawberry soda topped with Pop Rocks candy. It inspired me to make an easy recipe, a great summer treat, strawberry sorbet. Add 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water to a pot and bring it to a boil. Take it off the heat and let it cool for 20 minutes. Add 6 to 7 cups of frozen strawberries to your blender. Add half of the strawberries plus half of the syrup and 1 tablespoon of vanilla to the blender. Blend, then add the rest of the ingredients. Pour into a freezer-safe container and freeze for 6 to 8 hours. Enjoy!